Welcome, dear student. I am Mrs. Shubhangi Dawange from Pravara Science Academy. In this session, we are going to learn an important and interesting topic from chemistry, that is carbon, an important element. Firstly, we start from the introduction of carbon. The element carbon is available abundantly and everywhere in the nature. Some everyday life examples of carbon are fossil fuels, ethanol, glucose, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc. Now, some basic information about carbon. Symbol of carbon is C. That is, while denoting carbon atom, we use capital C. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic mass number of carbon is 12. Electronic configuration of carbon is 2 4. That is 2 electron in first shell and 4 electron in the outermost shell. Valency of carbon is 4 and carbon is a non-metallic element. Where we can find carbon? The name carbon is derived from Latin word carbo, meaning coal. Carbon is found in nature in free as well as in combined state. Carbon in the free state is found as diamond and graphite. In the combined state, it found as carbon dioxide, and in the form of carbonates such as calcium carbonate, marble, calamine. We can find carbon such as fossil fuels. Example of fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, natural gas. Carbon in combined state can also find as natural fibers. These natural fibers are cotton, wood and silk. Now we learn about the properties of carbon. Carbon is allotropic in nature. What is meant by allotropy? We can define allotropy as some elements occur in nature in more than one form. The chemical properties of these different forms are same, but their physical properties are different. This property of elements is called allotropy. Like carbon, sulfur and phosphorus also exhibit allotropy. Now, which are the allotropes of carbon? Allotropes of carbon are in two forms. First, crystalline form, and second is non-crystalline or amorphous form. First, we learn about the crystalline form. What are the properties of a crystalline form? A crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. They have high melting points and boiling points, and a crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape, sharp edges and plane surfaces. Now, which are the crystalline forms of carbon? Carbon has three crystalline forms. diamond, graphite and fullerene. These are the three crystalline forms of carbon, or we can say that these are the three allotropes of carbon atom. In today's session, we learn about basic information of carbon, occurrence of carbon and allotropic nature of carbon. I hope all of you understood this session. Thank you, student.